Alright, this problem is maybe a little bit challenging, maybe not as easy as the last two that we did. So you drink a can of soda with 39 grams of sugar. Each hour, the sugar in your system decreases by 20%. So how long, the question is, how long will it take for the sugar to be at 2 grams? So 39 grams of sugar in that small can of soda. That is a lot. That's why no one should drink soda. Okay, anyways, moving forward. So you have y equals, y is your, let me use the other marker. Y is the amount of sugar in your system. So at the starting point, when you just drank the soda, the amount of sugar in your system is 39 grams. So y equals, y is the amount of sugar. Y is amount of sugar is 39 grams at time when you start. So that's literally what you do. Y is which is the amount of sugar. At the starting point, it's 39 grams. And at that time, it's the most it can be. So it's at 100%. And how do you change 100% into a decimal? You can write it as 1.00 or just 1. Right? 1. But thankfully, the sugar starts to decrease by 20% each hour. So you're decreasing. So the fact that sugar is decreasing, you will need a negative. Right? Negative, and by how much? 20%. 0.20. And every hour. So here, that's where you'll have a t as your exponent. Make sure it's your exponent. And it's decreased by a certain percentage every hour. If it was just, if they said the sugar is decreased by 2 grams every hour, and they didn't say anything about percentage, then it would be a linear function. In this case, you'll need that exponent. So now, what's the question asking? How long will it take for the sugar to be at 2 grams? So your y, how long will it take for your y to be at 2 grams? Equals 39. 1 minus 0.20, that will give you 0.80 to the power of t. All right. Now we think back to the last unit. How did we figure out t from here? Well, of course, the first step you would want to do is divide both sides by this 39, all right? It's really tempting to do, let me just do 39 times 0.8. Please don't do that. Divide both sides by 39 and then move forward. This cancels out, and what's 2 divided by 39? 2 divided by 39, that will give you 0.05 equals 0.8 to the power of t. So now, the most important thing is to get rid of this exponent. And to get rid of exponents, we use logs. And if you're going to do a log of one side, you must do it to the other side as well. So log both sides. 0.05. Here, log 0.8. And that t would go up here. So this is where the t is going to land. All right. Now we are almost done. Now, in order to get t by itself, you would have to divide both sides by log of 0.8. This goes away, and let me put that in the calculator. Let's see what we get. 0.05 log of that is going to give me negative 1.3 on top. Hopefully that's not your final answer. 0.8 over 0.9 equals t. So your final answer will be 1.3. The negatives cancel, so you don't have to worry about the negatives. So your t, the final answer will be 14.4 hours. So that's how long it will take for your sugar level to go down to 2 grams. 14.4 hours.